Non-alcoholic drinking is something we cover a lot on this channel, and it's not that we're sober, it's not that we don't drink, but it's that we appreciate the balance of not having to drink. But because we drink, we know the quality of a good cocktail. We can appreciate the depth of flavour and those adult characteristics that we do crave, which can be difficult to find in the non-alcoholic world, which is why every now and again we like to take some non-alcoholic spirits, we like to mix them up and see what cocktails we can come up with. Now, as you know or do not know, I do love tequila, and Lyres have just launched their non-alcoholic substitute for tequila here in the UK. This is it. Lyres Agave Reserva Spirit, impossibly crafted, non-alcoholic. Now on to the cocktail at hand. What we're going to do is a twist on a margarita. You've probably guessed this by now by the title of this. It's going to be a bell pepper margarita, which we'll make non-alcoholic with Lyres and a homemade bell pepper cordial, which I'm going to walk you through. So first things first, you want to grab yourself a cocktail shaker, fill the bottom half of that with ice. Next up, you're going to put a little part inside, and then we're going to get on to mixing. Alright, grab yourself a jigger. I'm going to go in with 50 millilitres of Lyres, new to the UK, tequila substitute. 50 millilitres goes in. Now for any margarita, you're going to need some triple sec, right? Lucky for you, Lyres also do a non-alcoholic orange sec, which is here, which I've done cocktails with before, and I find it just delightful. So we're going to go in with 25 millilitres of that. Then instead of lime juice and instead of any sugar, that is when we're going to use our bell pepper cordial. Super simple to make. You're going to grab a saucepan and you're going to mix equal parts of sugar and water. Stir that, bring it up to heat, stir it till the sugar dissolves. Then you're going to chop up some mini peppers and put them in. My exact measurements for this was 200 grams of sugar, 200 millilitres of water and 2 mini bell peppers. As for the colour, you can use red, orange or yellow or a mix of those. Stay away from the green ones, they're unripe. You're not going to get all the benefits. See, if we're mindful drinking and we're not going to be drinking alcohol, we might as well try and infuse as much functionality in that, as much high quality, try and get some superfoods in it, right? We're already not drinking alcohol, we might as well get some health in there. Bell peppers are perfect for this. They're packed full of antioxidants, they've got vitamin C, they've got a whole list of health benefits. Just do a quick Google search, check it out. Point being, you're going to bring that up to a boil, let it simmer. As it's simmering, we're going to mix in some citric acid. You can get this pretty much anywhere, it's really cheap to get hold of. It means we're not going to need any lime juice, any lemon juice, any citrus. If you don't want to use the citric acid, you can just let that mix cool and then pour in 100 millilitres of lime juice. It should do the same job, but with the citric acid, we're going to end up with a clear consistency. It's going to make this cocktail pop, all right? Once you've got your savoury, citrusy, sweet bell pepper cordial, we're going to go in with 25 millilitres. Quick note on the bell pepper, when you do cut them up, you want to cut the top bit off, but save that little top bit, save the little cap. I'm just going to use that for garnishing. Now you've got all your ingredients in there, you've got your sweet, you've got your sour, you've got your spirit substitute. It's time to shake it up. Now to serve this drink, you want to grab yourself a rocks glass, fill it with ice. Top tip, try and get hold of the big ice cube molds. So you've got a huge ice cube, it's not going to dilute quick, it's not going to water down your drink, it's just going to stay there, it's just going to chill it down, which is key. Secondly, try storing your glasses in the freezer. That's where mine are, so I'm going to go grab that right now. And here we are, one ice cold glass. Perfect for this kind of weather, the sun's coming out, spring has sprung, summer is in the air. Ice cold glass like this, gonna do the job. Big ice cube inside, it's not gonna water down our drink. Little top tip. Strain out your margarita like so, and then finish it off. That bell pepper I told you to keep, we're just gonna put that on the top. And there we have it. That right there is a non-alcoholic bell pepper cordial margarita. Check out Lyres, check out some of the stuff they do, and check out the review I've done on this tequila. Just launched in the UK, so if you're from the UK, check it out. Enjoy.